Can you see?
I genuinely don't like cheese knives that have like, I like that singular bowl, and they have that bowl have like,
Look at him.
I heard him breathing. I'm like, is that a here?
We've already Vâng, tất cả câu nó vào đó. Stop. What? Stop.
Well,
I'm sorry.
Want to go inside?
Oh my god, yeah.
Further up that way.
Excuse us.
In 1944, and when the steam locomotives were finished operating in 1959, just like all pieces of equipment that you don't need anymore, they are repurposed, which means they're scrapped. You cut them up and you melt them down and you turn them into other things. That's the beauty of iron and steel and bronze, aluminum. You can repurpose them. Well, we're very lucky that the Union Pacific saved 8 4000 class big 4884s. They were all donated to museum foundations. The 4014 was chosen in 2013 to be rebuilt and restored for operation again.
Good morning. First, thank you very much for restoring this big, beautiful locomotive. My question has to do with the headlight. When was it changed and why?
His question was about the headlight. If you look back there, those of you that can see it, that's a twin sealed beam headlight. And the mechanism inside that headlight was actually designed in the 1940s to equip train crews to seal the with a new style of headlight that was coming into common use on the railroads back in the 1940s. Out of the western part of the United States, they use the older style. So those of you that are into the technology of the steam locomotives, big brass, copper plated, chrome plated, nickel silver plated reflector with a 250 watt light. Well, think that at night, and with the modern light pollution and everything that we have operating at night, our plan is to not operate at night usually. But if we do, we need to see. So the decision to replace it was mine so we can see better, and also the locomotive can be seen better. So it's kind of cool looking, isn't it? Thank you for the question.
How much can the big boy hold at one time? Like how much weight?
How much weight can it pull? I'm going to give that question to Kurt Clark.
For where it was designed to go, it could do about 6,000 tons from China to Laramie over a grade. Of course, like everything else, it just depends on the grade and the terrain, flat track versus grade. 4,000 tons Ogden to Green River.
Hi, my question is, I noticed some names on the different rail cars. Who are those people and what is the significance?
The names on the cars on our support fleet, they're people that had a significant impact in the steam program, and they're people that were involved in it. On the train, the same thing. People that had worked on the railroad in some capacity. Some of the cars are named for other trains, Challenger, City of Denver, City of Omaha, etc.
We have a question. What is the tallest mountain the big boy has climbed?
I'm going to allow Austin to answer that one.
Tallest mountain, I would say, Sherman Hill. That's the tallest point on the Union Pacific system. I don't know what the elevation is. Ed can probably tell you off the top of his head. That would be the highest point that we've been over. The steepest grade would be Cajon. That pushes up over 2.5%, sometimes 3 in areas. 2.5 on Donner. So pretty steep grades, but not as high in elevation.
Hi, so, wow, that was a lot louder than I thought it was going to be. How has working with the big boy impacted your lives?
For me, it's impacted in a positive way. I enjoy working on the locomotive, enjoy operating the locomotive. Yeah, it's hard, dirty work, but it's a satisfying experience.
That's a tough one. Pretty good question. The way it's impacted my life, yeah, we spend a lot more time on the road, obviously, with the locomotive. But this is something that I always wanted to do as a kid. I always thought, it'd be really cool to restore a big boy. It was kind of my dream as a kid, and everybody thought I was crazy. But here we are. And, when we restored the locomotive, I knew it was going to be a big deal. But I didn't think that we would have the crowds or the following that we do. It's way bigger than I ever thought it would be. And thanks to all you people for coming out and supporting us and supporting the program and showing your love for this big locomotive. It's pretty cool to see.
Yeah, it's not much to say after that. I think one of the things that I reflect back on top of what both of these guys have said, is as we're going down the track, I look at everybody and they're all smiling and they're happy, and I wonder, how's that impact their lives? The fact that they want to come out and see us, and that, when I'm going by, I don't see anybody frowning. Everybody's happy, they're waving, they're smiling. So I think it's a great, tremendous thing, and it's impacted me positively.
We have a question of how big is the big boy?
How big is the big boy? Well, if you look back on it, it fits under this platform. It's 17 feet tall, 11 feet wide, just under 135 feet long, and it weighs over 600 tons. The boiler is 300 pounds of steam pressure, which is a lot for a steam locomotive. The same pressure that the 844 has. The driver diameter, the driver wheels, are 68 inches in diameter. And it's no exaggeration to say that it represents 2 844s. It really is a big machine.
Oh, I'm sorry.
electricity, you need water, gasoline,